I will talk about how can you add your phone number on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on accounts. You click here on accounts. Then it's going to take you to this is here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to phone, click here on add. So just switch in here to open with you. And so we'll go back here. And here you have to uh, answer these questions here. Click here on 7 here, like this for example. So and can you just skip it? Then here, so can it's going to show for you when to add your phone number in this list when you answer all these questions on your eToro. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,